Okay, so good morning, guys. Today we're gonna learn about the algebra. So at the first pages, you have learning objectives. Okay. So what is our learning objective? At least we have 6 learning objectives, as you can see in front of your book as well. So you can use the letters to represent numbers. So it is called the variables. You can use variables to represent numbers. You can express also the basic arithmetical process algebraically, and you can evaluate algebraic expression, adding, subtracting linear expression, simplifying linear expressions, and the last but not least, you have to factorize algebraic expression by extracting the common factors. So this is what you're gonna learn for this chapter that will be held on about 4 until 5 meetings. Okay, it is about this week and next week for the half of the topics later on. Okay. Next, this is our chapter 4 called Basic Algebra and Algebraic Manipulation. It means that you are learning the new topics and the new tools in your secondary. Okay, guys? So, before we start our lesson, I will try to use the algebra to do the mind games. I can read your mind, guys. I can make your mind, every one of you, produce the same answer. Okay, let's start. Think of one number, start from 1 until 10, no need to be too high. 1 until 10. Everyone, don't say to me, keep it secret. Got it? Done? You multiply your number by 3. Okay, think of the number. You multiply your number, your chosen number by 3. Think of your chosen number, multiply by 3. Got it? You multiply by 2. Okay. And then after you multiply by 3, multiply by 2, you divide by your chosen number, your first number. Divide by your chosen number. Right? Done? You plus 3. Divide by 3. Done? Now, every one of you has the same number. 9. Right? So that's how algebra works. It's not a magic. It is pure algebra. We use math logic with that part. Again, one more. Think of one number. 1 to 10. Yeah, 1 to 10. No need to be too much. Right? Think of one number. Are you done? Think of one number. It can be different. It can be the same also. I have to write the working right now. You plus by 7. Yep, add by 7. You multiply by 3. Done. You subtract by 21. Subtract 21, kurangin sama 21. Done. And then you divide by your number, your chosen number. Get it? Done. 3. 3. Bener gak? Yeah, that's it. That's how the algebra works. Later on, after you do all the topics 4 here, chapter 4, you can do that as well by yourself. Why I purely use algebra? What is algebra? Now, we learn about the history first. On a bit right side of the small part, the story time, the word algebra is taken from Arabic word algebra. Okay, and it is rooted by a mathematician called Muhammad bin Musa al-Khwarizmi. This is the old guy. He's dead already, but he created the algebra, not created, invented the algebra to make us easy. Why it is make us easy in understanding something? Because this mathematician tried to put the letters in mathematics. Previously, before this guy born, this guy invented algebra. Every mathematician calculating the number by the number itself. But cuman angka-angka doang ngomongin. Ya, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, something multiplied by something, and so on. Because of this guy, we understand now how to pay our monthly bill, our telephone bill, for example, electricity bills, and so on. Why? Because we are using the algebra today. Okay? Algebra is very, very important to make the idea or the mathematical equations happen. For example, let's say algebraic notation. We have 2 plus 3 equals 3 plus 2 equals 5. And then the algebraic notation, a plus b equals b plus a equals c. So, do you know what's the difference between this arithmetic and algebra, guys? Anyone can? Letters, right? We are using the letters. Okay. So now, keep this book away from you. I will teach you the idea of algebra pure, not from book, but I am also learn from book, but I try to make it more compact. Okay, make it more easily. Okay, so now close your book, look at my explanation here, and let me show you how algebra works in the easiest understanding. Okay, let's start. I'm opening the Microsoft Word to save the file. We are learning algebra basic. Meeting one. First, wait. Make it bigger. No, meeting one, put it on the left. Let's stop. I think it's better. Okay, let's start. So, you know, algebra is letters. For example, we have to understand the terms, the terminology. Okay, first, let's say I have 3a. What is 3a actually? 3 times a. Or a times 3, it's the same. Okay, so if we have no number here, no sign or no symbol or no operator, it is multiply. Okay, get it? How about AB? That's it. And you write X like this. Why? To differentiate between X and times. Jadi kalau tulis X sama times, pusing nggak? You tulis X-nya gini, or there you go. But you better write like this. I know this is X. It's different from the other part. Or like this. Some write like this also. I don't know why all teachers use this as X. But I think better write like this or like this. Up to you. But I prefer this. Okay, XY. What is it? X times Y. How about X, Y, Z? That's it. Good. X times Y times Z. How about 3PQ? Okay, that's it. Good. How about 5 plus P? Is it 5P? No. Be careful. 5 plus P is 5 plus P itself, so you don't have to do anything else. You don't have to change anything here. Okay, so let it be. Okay. And then 2A plus 3A. Good. Why you can add the number? Because they share the same variables. Get it? Okay, later. I don't want to do this. Wait. So the terminology first. That's the idea. And then, oh, what we did just now? Oh, 4A plus 3A. What is it? 7a. For example, 4 apples plus 3 apples, right? How about this? 4, not 4, some else. 5a plus 7b. 12ab or keep it like that? Keep. Why? Because you are not multiplying anything. Why? For example, 5 apples plus 7 buses. Bisa nggak ditambahin? Apple sama banana, bisa nggak? Nggak. Why? They are the different fruits. Right? So let it be. So what I don't write here is let it be. So you don't have to change anything. Either plus or subtract. Okay. 5a times 7b. How about 5a times 7b? Yes, you can. 5 times 7, 35, right? A times b, ab, that's it. Yes, you can do it if it is multiplication. Got it, guys? So, no need to write the result. No result for now. Okay, for now, no result. 5a minus 7b, you don't need to write minus like this. Just like a. How is it? How if it is division? Okay, good question. Let's try. 7a divided by 3b. Just write down 7a over 3b. That's it. Okay. Any questions so far? How about if it is divisible? 20x divided by 5y. Yep, you can do it slowly. And 20 divided by 5, 4 over y. That's it. Okay, get the idea, guys? Understand so far? Yes, Robert? Okay, why the y cannot put on besides y? Because it is, if you write like this, it is multiplication, right? What is the question? Division. Get the idea? So what you can divide? Just divide 20 by 5, 4, and then put the y bottom on the bottom. Let it be like that. Understand what? Okay, nice. 4x over y. If 4xy is, it means 4 times x times y. Also the x times y. Yes. Why? One, because the y becomes only y. Okay, next. Another term. Second term. I have this 5x plus 2y minus 3. Okay. So what I circle here, called an expression. Okay. And then what I circle with blue color is terms. Okay. So terms is 5x, 2y, and negative 3. Get the idea? Yeah. Negative 3. And what I circle with yellow color, green color, is no number. Coefficient. Okay. And the 3 itself, what I highlight, the only number without any letters is called the constant terms. Constant. Okay. Use the highlight number. And xy, the letters called What is it? Variables. So what I highlight with blue color is called variables. Okay, right on. Later on, I will give you some examples about this. What is coefficient terms, variables, constant term, expressions? Okay. So the whole part, total part is expression. The insides, 5x, 2y, -3 is terms. And then the coefficient is the number in front of the variables. The letter called variables. So variables is letter. Okay. And the constant term is the term that has no value. Or no variables. Okay, right on. So I will have another workings, another example for you. Let's see. I have the equation of this. List down all the terms. List down all the variables. Yes, you can write on your note. And list down all the coefficient. List down all the constant terms. Okay, so let's see. The terms is I mean
3x to 5x, 3y, 3.
Almost right.
It's 5 plus 3y minus 2.
Yes, -2p. So if you have the negative, put the negative, and then 8. What are the variables?
The variables of x, y, p.
That's it. X, y, p. Coefficients.
5, 3, 2.
-2.
Another 2.
Okay. Constant terms.
P.
Very simple, right? So you just understand what is terms. Terms is the collection of constant, the collection of coefficient and variables. Variables is only letters. Coefficient is only the number that is in front of the letters, on the left side of the letters. Constant term is the term that is forever alone. Okay, forever alone means sendiri, dia nggak ada teman. Okay, this is the examples. Right, one example. Okay, now this is the example. Done for the example. Let me show you the further question. I am combining all the letters now, all the algebraic letters, algebraic rule on one question. Solve. You are doing this simple equations. What does it mean? 3a. 3 times a. 3 times a is 3, right?
Yeah. 9.
Subtract 2 times b. -2. Can I? I just put the bracket. I don't have to write down the cross like that. Okay, I can write down like this also. Wait, look at this, guys. 3a means 3 bracket 3. Can we? Sama aja ya, sama aja. And then plus c 2. Get the idea, guys? And then do it slowly. What is 3 times 3? 9.
4, negative 4. 4. 9 minus negative 4. 4.
Can I just write plus 4?
Yeah.
Bisa ya? Because negative times negative is positive. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 2, right? 15. That's for question 8. Okay? Please look at this. If you have any question, ask. Don't just be quiet. Okay? You might ask me about this question. Sure. Yes, you can do it on your notebook, but again, I will send you the files later on here. I don't think we have enough space, so I will make it a bit distributed. Okay. So, how to do this? A square minus B square plus C. Yeah. Right? Okay. Let us think slow. Don't think too fast. 3 square. What is the answer of 3 square? What is negative 2 square?
4.
Negative 2 times negative 2, 4. So answer?
So 9 minus 4 first, so it's 5.
Yeah. Plus 2, 7. Right? C. AB. What is AB?
AB is
3
3 times negative 2.
plus 3BC.
Negative 6.
Wait, C is 2. Sorry, almost wrong. So what is 3 times negative 2?
Negative 6.
Negative 6, right? Because 3 times 2 is 6, negative times positive is negative. Plus 3 times negative 2 berapa?
6. Negative 6.
Negative 6 times 2?
12. Negative 12.
Negative 12. Get the idea, guys? Siapa yang bingung? Tanya. Negative 6 minus 12, right? It change the sign. Nah, ini banyak yang salah, guys. Some students still did a mistake. You have to think the negative as you owe the money from others. You pinjam duit. You punya utang. Negative means utang, right? You utang 6, utang lagi 12. Jadi 18 kan utangnya, 18 ya. So negative 18. Okay. Does anyone has questions? Please ask. No? Can we go further? Okay. 2a minus 3b squared, write it down. 2 times 3. Wait, I will need to put it a bit on top because it requires a lot of working. 2a minus 3b over 2. Yeah, that's it. So what is 2 times 3? 6. Minus 3 times negative 2 square is 4 over 2, right? 6 minus 12 over 2. Okay, not Jacob, not Jones. Girls. 6 minus 12 berapa? Girls. Yes? Negative 6. You punya uang 6, kurangin 12. Jadi negative 6 over 2. Girls lagi, what's the answer there? Yep, 6 divided by 2 is 3, and you put the negative. That's it. Okay, now you know how to do. Okay, write down. I give you some time to write down. Okay, so now continue. Okay, we continue our explanation, my explanation about algebra. Now you are going faster. So fasten your seat belt. So, or simplify. Simplify this expression. Number 1. This is x, yeah, guys. Yeah, sure.
Oh, simplify is fun.
Yeah. Yes. Plus Q. Plus Q means plus one Q, but again, we don't have to write the one. Like one apple and an apple, right? An apple is always one apple. A class is one class, right? So a Q means one Q.
Algebra.
Yeah, variables.
Computer.
No, algebra. Everything is in algebra. Okay. No. Okay, I will give you about some 10 minutes to do this. Okay, guys, let us discuss together. You have to remember that the variable that can be added is the same variables. Okay, I use the different color 3p and minus 8p, not 8p. Be careful. Look at the sign. 3 minus 8. What is it? Minus 5. P. Okay, keep that in mind. And then plus q plus 3q. If I don't have the number here, it means 1. 1 plus 3? 4. Okay. Any questions so far? Okay, everyone, please pay attention. No one do anything outside of this topic. Okay, everyone focus. Number 2, which variable that you can add together? 5x and negative 2x. What is 5x minus 2x? 3x, that's right. And you just put that 3x. Okay, because minus 5y is only like that. Okay. Okay, next. This number 3 has to deal with decimals and fraction. So if we have the fraction, we have to make sure that the variable is the same. Sama nggak variabelnya? Sama. So what you do? Yeah, there you go. Make the denominator same. That's right. 1 over 8x.
Just do since the variable is the same, we just need to do the fraction.
Yes. 4 over 8 minus 3 over 8.
1/8.
That's it. Nice. Okay. Number 4. Okay, I will give you some time to write down. How about this, number 4? What to do first? Look at the same variable, the m, not meter. Yeah. So look at the m. I just use the yellow highlight.
Then make the denominator sum of the m.
And then one more. The blue part. Okay.
Yes.
So we do one by one.
The m and m.
So times 2, yeah, becomes 4, right? And then one more. 2 and 3 over 1. Kalau nggak ada kan over 1. Benar nggak? Jadi dia apain? Times 2. Wait, salah. Times 2. Times 2. Right? Jadi lihat satu-satu. Lihatnya yang blue sama blue. And then yellow with the yellow. And we'll find it quite easy. Right? So 3 over 4m, do it slowly, plus 2 over 4m, right? Subtract 1 over 2n, subtract 6 over 2n, right? I rearrange the position. Get the idea, guys? Jadi cuma disusun, disamain, dikiriin, dikelompokin ya. Di rearrange sini, right? And it will be very, very easy to solve. Okay, next 3 plus 2, 5, right? 5 over 4m. Ya, 1 out of 4. Minus 1 minus 6 berapa? Utang 1, utang lagi 6. 7 ya. And if you want to change into a mixed fraction, that is better. 1 over 4m, right? 1 over 4m. Both answers are correct, but depend on what I expect later on the question. For example, the question, write down in the mixed fraction form. Okay, you have to do bottom part. Kalau nggak usah. Okay, ada tanda-tanda error. Okay, now, which one is the same? Ini gampang. Berapa negative 4 plus 1? Right, negative 4 plus 1. Ingat ya, you punya utang 4, bayar 1, utangnya berkurang, tapi masih utang. Okay, and then one more. Okay, easy right? Siapa yang masih bingung? Ada yang bingung ya? Okay, pause. Okay guys, one more example so you can understand completely. One more guys, one more. Okay, we have the double sign here. If you have the double sign, you nggak bisa langsung, you cannot do it directly. You need to change the sign. Minus minus becomes plus. And then, okay, one step. 7p, make it fast ya. 7p, 3 minus 5, negative 2a. Right? 2. How do you do this? It's the same, totally same. You change the number. That's it. That's the same, but you have to do it in a slower pace. 6 and 3, right? You multiply by 2, multiply by 2. 5 minus 4, right? That's it. Okay, kita main cepet ya. 5 minus 4 is 1 out of 6. Okay, that's all. And I think nggak ada yang lebih susah lagi. See? This one. Yes. Okay, now I am announcing the homework.